A promising girl. Once upon a time, you were a promising girl.
Yes.
Your parents loved you a lot.
So much.
They did everything.
Yes.
But because of the medium woman, you
Yes, man of God.
treated your life. You
Yes.
miscalculated.
My name's Cynthia Tieno from Kenya. Whatever the man of God is saying is true. I was a promising girl because I'm the one who is bright in our family. My mom loved me and they expect a lot in me. Even now, I'm the one who is having job. No one is having job in my family.
You were supposed to be a lawyer. Now you are who?
I'm working with the judiciary. I wanted to be a lawyer, but now I'm a court clerk in judiciary of Kenya. Whatever you're saying is true, man of God.
Raise up. Father, she's your daughter. Repair her. Give her a big post in Jesus.